in the Computer IT department at LJ Polytechnic. We have seen subqueries in the last tutorial. A subquery is a query within another SQL query and embedded within the where clause. Subquery is also known as an inner query or a nested query. Subqueries can be used in the different ways and at different locations inside a query. Subqueries return a row or multiple records. Subquery can be used with the select, insert, update and delete statements. Let's see how subquery works practically by performing it. So move to the practical window. We will see subqueries by performing a practical. For that, first we have to create tables. So let's create an account table by using create command. Create table name which is account, having columns account number, data type varchar 2 and size let's suppose 3. Second column is balance, data type of balance is number and size 9. Next column is bname, data type varchar 2 and size 9. Now this table is created. Let's insert data into the account table by using insert command. Insert into account values, then dynamic values of column balance, rename. Now enter value for account number is A01, balance 5000, branch name Vidyanagar. Let's insert second record A02, balance is 6000, branch is Karamsad. Let's insert next record which is A03, balance for this account is 7000 and branch is Anand. Next record A04, balance is 8000, branch is Karamsad. Next record is A05, balance is 6000 and branch is VVA. Let's see table data using select command. Select star from table name. Here we get the table and the data which we have entered. Now let's create another table which is account holder table using create command. Create table account holder. Here I have mentioned underscore between two words because I cannot leave blank between table name. So I have specified underscore over here. Column of this table is customer ID having data type varchar 2 and size is suppose 3. Then second column is account number having data type varchar 2 and size is 3. Table is created. Let's insert data into the account holder table using insert statement. Insert into table name which is account holder, then values and specify column list which is customer ID and account number. Customer ID is C01, account number is A01. Next record is C02 and account number A02. Next record customer ID C03, account number A03. Next record customer ID C04, account number A04. Next one is C05 and A05. Last one is C02 and account number A04. Let's see table data of account holder. Select staff from account holder. Here's the table. Now let's see the account table. Select staff from account. Now what is subquery? Subquery is a query within another query. Now let's see how it works. Suppose I want to check balance of customer C01. So in account holder table, I have customer ID. But in this table, I don't have any column name balance. So, and balance is available into account table where customer ID is not available. So what I have to do is, first I have to find out account number of customer ID C01, which is A01. After that, I have to pass this value into the account table, and using A01 account number, I will get balance, which is 5000. Now let's write query for this. Select balance from account where account number in. Select account number from account holder where customer ID is equals to C01. Here I get answer balance is 5000. First, what I have done is for customer ID C01, using this query I get account number which is A01, and for this account number is passed into the outer query, and using that account number I get balance. Here this query which is enclosed within parenthesis is a subquery, and this one is the outer query. Here you have observed that I used in operator with where clause of parent query. Here this query is the outer query as well as it is known as parent query. I can use equal to over here instead of in operator. But if subquery returns multiple records, then equal to will not work because equal to compares only one condition. So it is always preferable to use in operator for such kind of subqueries. Now let's take another example of subqueries. For that I have to create another table called customer. Let's create a customer table using create command. Create table customer having column customer ID of data type varchar 2 and size is 3, and another column is name column having data type varchar 2 and size suppose 15. Table is created. Now let's insert data into the customer table using insert command. Insert into customer values, then list of columns customer ID and name. Customer ID is C01 having name Ria. Another record C02 name is Jia. Next record is C03 name is Dia. Next record C04 name is Taral. Next is C05 name is Saral. Let's retrieve the data of customer table using select command. Select star from customer. Now, if I want to check balance of customer Gia, here balance is not available in the customer table, and in account table balance is available but name of customer is not available. So for that, what can I do? For that, I have to retrieve customer ID of Gia from the customer table. Then I have to access account holder table. From the account holder table, I will get the account number for customer ID C02, which is A02, and I can see another record for C02 customer ID, which is A04. Here I get multiple records. From that account number, I will get the balance from the account table, which is balance of account number A02 is 6000 and balance of account A04 is 8000. Let's write query for this problem. Select balance from the account where account number in. Select account number from account holder where customer ID in. Select customer ID from customer where name equals to Gia. Here be careful while closing the parenthesis, otherwise you will get an error. I got two values for balance, which is 6000 and 8000. Here subquery is written within a subquery. We can call it as a nested query. Here the innermost subquery find out customer ID for customer Gia. The result is used to find out account number associated with Gia from the account holder table. And finally, the outer query finds out balance for all those accounts which belongs to Gia. As Gia owns two accounts A02 and A04, the output shows two different balances associated with two accounts. There are some important questions available for this tutorial. Let's see them one by one. For these questions, refer given table schemas for the answers. First one is customer with attributes customer ID and name. Second table is account holder with columns customer ID and account number. And the last table is account with columns account number, balance and bname. First question is, find out the balance of an account which belongs to customer C03. Next question is, find out the balance of an account which belongs to customer Taral. You can write your answers into the comment section. In this tutorial, we have seen subqueries. If you have any doubt or query regarding this tutorial, then you can write it into the comment section. If you want to watch another tutorials of this series, then link is available in the description box. If you like the video, then press on the like button and share the video. Stay tuned with us for watching new videos of this series. Thank you for watching this video.